Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi, how are you doing today? This video is inspired by Amber Shaw. She made this money dress a while back ago, so I thought it was just like the cutest thing ever. So I decided to make one of my own. Why not? I had nothing better to do. So I ordered I ordered some money off Amazon. I think I got way more than I actually needed. But here they are. Fake money. And I got some E60 glue. And I got a pleated skirt. Also from Amazon. Everything that I'm going to be using is from Amazon. And I got this bodysuit. I'm worried about this cuff here because I want the money to like poof out, kind of. That makes any sense. But I don't know how it's going to work. But let's get started. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm not too sure about this one. Oh. If you want to see how this dress turned out, just keep watching this video. Bye. So that's how it looks on together. So now I'm just gonna start placing the money. So this is how the top of the bodysuit is looking right now. Cute. And I just cut this guy in the middle. You can see the glue sticking out, but that's okay. It looks cute. If it didn't have this red thing on it, it would actually look like more money. I think over here looks better. Need to add more money in here. But other than that, it's turning out gorgeous. I'm not gonna do down here because I'm gonna place the skirt right there so that it can match. So this is how it's looking so far. I already already glued on all of these. I just need to glue on up here. I was just making sure everything was even and stuff like that. Just gonna glue that on and finish up. And I'm just gonna leave them to dry. So this is the skirt. I just finished laying on all the money on it. So I'm just gonna wait for everything to dry. Then I'm gonna try it on. Isn't it look cute? And there's the top. So what I'm thinking about is making a necklace, like using something like this. Oh, I can't see it. Using something like this, and then just put the money around it so I can just make it into a chain. Not a chain, a choker. I'm gonna see how that's gonna turn out. So I just finished with the choker. So I just finished with the choker. I'm gonna let it stay here so it can dry. I have all this money left over because I thought that I would need like a lot to actually do the whole outfit. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna need more money, so I'm just gonna leave this one here just in case. So if I feel like if it needs more to be more poofy or something like that, then I can just add more money on it. But I'm gonna have to wait until it's dry to make sure everything fits well and stuff like that. So I was thinking, since I have the choker right there, why not make a bag, like a little purse? I'm gonna use this to make the purse.
Lost beyond the edge, planning what to say. It kills me not to know, but yet I carry on, letting go of safety, holding on to fear. Will you be there when
So this is how everything turned out. The choker. Oh no, it's sticking. I'm just turn over like this and let it finish dry. The outfit and the bag. I put the rest of the money in here. This can move. So here it is. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't think I like it. But yeah, that's how it looks. So I'm gonna have to wait till everything dry before I can try it on.
I is good and bad.